Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech Research. Today in this video I am going to show you that how you can schedule a message in your WhatsApp. For example, if tomorrow is my friend's birthday and I want to wish him or her at 12 o'clock at night. So I may sleep at that time, or I may busy at that time in any other work. So how can I say I can schedule a message for him so that the birthday wish reach him, the birthday wish is sent him at that particular time, that is 12 o'clock. So let's begin. How can you schedule your WhatsApp message? So for this purpose you need to download one application from your Google Play Store. That application is known as SchedIt. So first I am opening my Google Play Store in my phone, and then I am searching that application known as SchedIt. SchedIt. You can see the application is here. So click on this application, then click on the install, and this application is totally free, 100% free, and it is not much more space taking, that is 16.19 MB, and you can see it now being installed. So you can see the application has been installed. The application is known as SchedIt Scheduling App, schedule WhatsApp SMS calls, right? So I am opening the application now. So the application has been opened. Here are two options, that is sign in with Facebook. You can sign in with your Facebook account, you can register with your Facebook account if you have any Facebook account, but I am not using my Facebook account here, so I am clicking on the create account, right? So in this create account I am typing my full name, that is Archishman Das, right? Now I can putting my email ID here. I am putting my email ID here. Okay, it's done. Then the password, at least 8 characters password should be done. So you can choose your password, whatever password you keep for this. I am choosing my password. Okay, then confirm password, retype this password. Okay, done. Then there is a pop-up menu, that is checkbox, that is by signing up you agree to SchedIt's term of use and privacy policy. Put that tick. Okay, okay, this email is already in use because for trial I have already used that email. So I can using a different email ID which has not been used earlier. So I am changing my email ID. If you have any previous account, then you can directly go to the sign in option and put your credentials for logging in, right? I am putting this email ID here. Then the option is create account. Okay, I am clicking on this create account, right? Then there is an option, if you click on send verification button you will receive a verification code on the provided email above, right? Then click send verification code. An email will arrive in my email inbox with the verification code. Let's check it. Okay, you can see the email has been arrived, that is SchedIt email verification. Opening this. Okay, my code is 588150. I am putting this code here, 588150. Then clicking on the verify email. Then there are several options in which you can schedule, that is call, SMS, email, Facebook, WhatsApp. I am choosing WhatsApp from here, then done. Okay, then there are several options like WhatsApp Business or simply only WhatsApp, SMS, email. I am choosing WhatsApp only because I am not using WhatsApp Business here. So now enable accessibility option. You have to enable the accessibility. So here is an option in the accessibility, that is install services. Install services, under install services option you can see it that Skedit is here. I am showing you, it is the Skedit. Okay, I am enabling it. Click on the allow and it has been enabled, the accessibility. Now come back to the Skedit option. Okay, then in the WhatsApp, under the WhatsApp option, you can add the WhatsApp recipients you want to schedule message for. Like I am choosing some, like one of my friend Deepthukar, right, and I am typing my message, how are you, for example, how are you, and I want to, if I want to attach some picture, like any of my picture, like this one, this picture. Okay, then there is another option, that is schedule, that is 17th May 2020, that is today's date, and now it's time 9:45. Okay, I am scheduling it on 9:47. I want to send him a message at 9:47 a.m. today. Okay, then okay, then there is a write option, right. Then the requirement comes, disable battery optimization, because there are some on some devices battery optimization will automatically disable the accessibility services after some inactivity, causing scheduled auto WhatsApp messages to fail, right. So battery optimization should be disabled, or you can ignore at your own risk, that is not recommended actually. So change battery optimization. Okay, and apps not optimized, here you can find Skedit, SKED, or app, this Skedit, I am putting it off, right. Then I am going back to the previous menu, right, and here I have scheduled the message 9, now it's the time 9:46 and it will be sent 1 minute after, so I'm putting the right option. Okay, there is another option, that is ask me before sending. If you want to get a notification before sending the message, then you should put it on, otherwise it should be put off, right. I have scheduled the message, you can see it here, that is scheduled, view schedule summary, May 17, 2020, 9:48, right, done. Okay, now I am opening my WhatsApp. You can see right now that here is no option, no message like how are you. Now it will be sent that, you can see like that, okay, how are you. Did you see? Time is 9:47. I didn't send the message manually, the message has been automatically sent, right. So I hope you like this video, and if you want to know anything more about this app and how to enable the settings, how to send message, how to schedule the message, you can write below in the comment section and directly mail me at my email ID given at the about section in my channel, and feel free to put any comment regarding improvement of my video quality and anything more important you want to know. And please subscribe to my channel, share this video with your friend, please like and share, because I have to be motivated by your share, by your like, by your subscription. So please subscribe this channel, and I will come back with more new videos in my next session. Goodbye.